Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be making a game on the app called Snap. In this game there's a scene in which the user will guess random objects they see and try to match them to the list in the code. So the first part of the program is to initiate the instructions to the user. So first the sprite will say welcome to the beach game and to enter words of the items you see in the scene to earn points. Then the sprite will say to find 5 matches or correct options before you get 3 strikes or incorrect options to win. And lastly, press the space key to start. At the same time as these instructions are playing, the correct option list, called the beach scene list, is established. So all of these options here are correct options, so if the user does type in one of these words, then they will get a point added to their score. Initially, all the variables are set to 0. So when the space key is pressed, this block of code will repeat until either the score is equal to 5 or the strike is equal to 3. Initially, the match is set to false. In this block, the sprite will ask the user to name something they see at the beach, and then they'll set the guess or the input to the answer. Then the block will evaluate the guess, in which the sprite will say checking your guess against the list. So for each item in this list up here, if the item is equal to the input of the user, then the match is set to true. And if the match is set to true, that means that the score will increase by 1. If it's not, then the strike, or the number of incorrect guesses, will increase by 1. Down here are the 2 different options, or the 2 different end results that could possibly happen. So if the strike is equal to 3, that means that the user lost the game, so it'll broadcast the message game over lost and say sorry, better luck next time, and press the green flag to play again. If the user gets 5 correct options, so their score hits 5, that means that the game over win broadcast will be sent, in which the sprite will say nice, you found 5 matches, and to press the green flag to play again. So if we were to start the program from the beginning, the first set of instructions will play. I'll press the space key, and it says to name something I see at the beach. So I'm going to put a correct option, which is sailboat. And it'll say that is a match and add 1 point to my score up here. Now let's say that I put an incorrect option. It'll say sorry, try again, and add 1 point to my score, or my strike. So let's say that I did get 3 incorrect options. So once my strike hits 3, it'll press this, or initiate this piece of code, and say that I have to press the green flag to play again. Sorry, better luck next time. And if I were to get 5 correct options, it would initiate the same thing except with this block of code. So that was the introduction to the beach game in Snap. I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to check out our other videos on our channel and stay tuned for new videos.